How to send a picture to an email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send a picture to an email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Depends upon first of all what kind of email app you're using. You could be using Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Apple Mail, AOL Mail. The most common and the most popular one is Gmail, so I'm going to be referring to this app as an example. Now you can open up the Gmail application if you're trying to send a picture to a certain email. First of all, go to the Compose tab. Let's say you entered everything. Now you just want to attach a photo and a picture, and for that what you have to do is from the body, after you try to enter your email, tap on the little pin like icon from the top right hand side, as you can see here. Tap on the pin icon, then just tap on the attach file option here, and once you tap on attach file, you should be able to see a list of photos and videos that you have. So you can select a certain photo that you want, and then you'll be able to send them if you'd like. And that's all it takes to send a picture to an email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.